So let us start with slicing. Slicing on ND array. Slicing on ND array concept. This is a very, very important, students, most important. So let us start understanding about slicing concept here. So what do you mean by slicing? I want to tell you first. So slicing concept gives you the process of selecting already this concept was there in the Python level, and almost we learned so many number of things in the class. And just I will write it immediately. I'll go to the example process. So slicing means I have some set of values are there in an ND array object. I have 20 values are available, for example. So getting one value from 20 is called which concept? Indexing. So I want to get it around five values. I want to get it five values. So the five values is called subset of ND array. Five values is called subset of ND array. I want to get some 15 values. 15 values also called what? One ND array. One ND array. And next I want to get some 20 values. I want, okay, 20. So I want to get some 18 values. These are all called what? Subsets. Subset of what? This ND array. So the process of getting some range of values from main ND array object is called what? Slicing. It is also called filtering, something we can call. I'll explain all those ways and means for you. So the process of obtaining range of values or what? Subset of values. Subset of values from which object? ND array object is called what? Slicing. Is called slicing. This concept already we discussed at our string operations that we applied on almost every place. So if you take any of the process, any of the way you can take it, our data types level only, when you are in joined LKG class only, we trained you that greatest topic. So sequence type operations on ST-array data. If you look at that, I'm not going to repeat again. I'm not going to repeat. What do you mean by indexing? I said. What do you mean by indexing? I said. What do you mean by indexing special points? I said. And slicing operation also I said. In that, there are five varieties of syntaxes are there. Five varieties of syntaxes that you are already aware of it. Okay. So the first syntax, str object of. Today we will go for what? ND array object of. Same. Begin colon end. There, what this syntax will do, I already made it very clear. Again, repeating the same thing is impossible because some knowledge is required. When I'm going to the second module, means module one should be perfect. That too, I said only one criteria, data types. So in that, positive beginning examples, that is under the syntax one, case one. Next is called what? Case two. Case two. Negative. That is a case two. Examples. Case three. Positive, negative, ignoring the condition. That is the different cases. Next is called case number four, negative, and then what? That is nothing but positive indexing, negative indexing, plus minus plus. These are all when you go for any Amazon, Flipkart, any kind of interviews if you go, this kind of questions are compulsory. PayPal, the big companies will give more questions on this kind of indexing mechanism. And next, this is fourth case under the first syntax. Under that, special points also is set. Next, after that, special points. After that, syntax number two. What syntax number two? Begin colon what? No ending. What it will do, points, examples, and everything. Here, syntax number three, no beginning, only ending. What it will do, Next is called what, syntax number four, colon. No beginning, no ending. What it will do, Next is called syntax number five, wonderful. Beginning, ending, and step. By default, this step is what? Plus one. Plus one. Which direction? Forward direction. Forward direction. So all the students need to sit alert. This type of positions. Don't sit like that. Sit in the correct format of reading. Because if I see your position, I'm getting laugh. If it is a boy, means directly firing. Because your girls, Namma, are very soft in nature. I want to tell you so softly. This type of positions, not now. That is some different situation it is. Okay? Now don't go to that. Please listen my class. So, and అలా అమ్మాయిలు ఉంటేనే బ్యూటీ. ఇఫ్ యూ కీప్ లైక్ దట్ ఇట్ విల్ బి it is a problem. Okay, you cannot sit like that. You sit like this. Sit all of you like that, or like that. But not that much stiff, straight. So come in. So you don't sit like that. Okay. So come to the point. So ఎవరు చేయాల్సిన పని వాళ్ళు చేయండి. Syntax number 5. Come on, ma. Come to the subject. So in that step I am using, this step indicates forward, backward. There also, there are so many conditions I said. Plus plus with plus step, plus minus with plus step, minus plus with plus step, plus minus with what? No, negative negative with what? Plus step. These are all forward. Do you remember this? Next is called what I said, plus plus with negative, minus minus with negative, plus minus with negative, minus plus with negative. These are all in Python level only, I said. Nobody knows. If you ask any questions, totally out of order. That's why today I'll keep my notes for all the people in Google Drive today. My Python notes I'm going to launch today in for all the students, especially for other batch students. Try to use it. Rule 1 will do what? Rule 2 will do what? Rule 3 will do what? Rule 4 will do what? Rule 5. There plus plus plus. This is called a minus minus plus. They, like that, I am having lot of cases here. Lot of cases here. And reversing the data also. How do you get the reverse of a string? And a colon colon minus 1, which is known as extended slicing, we can call. This is the fundamental, ultimate slicing concept even today. The same process we need to apply on this place also. Understand? Now, students, now I'm going to slicing on ND array. This process is getting. Now I'm going to give you the slicing operation, the slicing operation, the slicing operation on ND array, on ND array can be performed on how many types? Performed three types, on three types of arrays, three types of arrays. So first one is called what? 1D slicing, 1D slicing, 2D slicing, 3D slicing. That is called ND slicing. First 1D slicing is very, very easy. 2D, 3D, 50% need to take luggage and need to go to home. So 1D slicing is going to be very easy. And the 2D and ND I am going to write it. So let us start with the first few examples on 1D. With the help, I will write it. Next, I will go to the other part. Slicing on which array? 1D. Slicing on 1D. I will take it on 1D. Next, slicing on 2D. The syntaxes you have to remember. Syntaxes. Don't buttify the subject. Slicing on 1D. Slicing on 1D, I am going to take it. 1D array. 1D array. Slicing on 2D. So let me put the subheadings. So you'll get the clarity on that. This is called 2D. Here onwards, your difficulty levels starts with. This also going to be called what? ND. That I may go for 3D, 4D, etc. You can have it. Start with the right. So I'm going to take up what? Syntax number 1. Syntax number 1. Come on, whatever you learned, try to apply your syntaxes. So come on, ND, ND array object, that is called 1D array object of begin colon and will give you begin colon and gives range of range of values from begin to end minus 1 provided Begin must be less than end. Begin must be less than end. Otherwise, we get space as a result. Space as a result. Today it is very easy. Otherwise, we get space. We get space or like this as result. As result. Fine. So I'm going to show you this. Syntax number two. Syntax number two. One syntax I will go and I will leave it. But don't think that same syntax everybody will use. There are multiple options are available. Right? So coming to the point of it, here I'm going to take it. It is going to be begin and I'm not mentioning what? End. So from begin index to what? Up to last it will take. So here I'm going to write it students. Takes range of values from where? Begin to begin index values from begin index to what value? Last value. Last value. Last value. Next, I will write it. One more kind of syntax I'll write it. Three. What is the third syntax? 1D array. Beginning is not written. What I'm writing simply end I'm going to write it. End I'm going to write it. Range of values from begin first value to hmm, first value to very good end minus 1. If you write end value, I will drop you at railway station. So first value to what? End minus 1. End minus 1 indexed value. Indexed value. You know na? Indexed value. So going to the point back to this next. So go to the next. Syntax number 4. What is the syntax number 4? Come on. 1D array of what is the next? No beginning, no ending. That gives you the range of values from first value to yes. Range of values. Range of values from range of values from first to last. First to last. From which object? From 1D array. That means complete values will be displayed. Complete values will be displayed. That you know. This is very simple. So next onwards, HD cinema you will see if you are not careful about it. Last and final. These are all 5 syntaxes. 1, 2, 3, 4 syntaxes will be going in which direction? Forward direction. What is the step value? Plus 1. Plus 1. Plus 1 is which direction? Right. I want alternative values. 0th value, 2, 4, 6, like that. What is that step? Plus 2. Plus 2. Stay. Plus 2. I want 0, 3, 6, 9. What is the step? Plus 6. Plus step indicates which direction? Very good. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7. Which direction? Backward direction. What is the step? Minus 2. Minus 2. Are you following? Minus 6, minus 4, minus 2. Which direction? Very good. Which step? Plus 2. Beautiful. Are you following? Right. Online students, I hope that you are getting. Some people will ask you, how do you get the reverse of a reverse of ND array? Reverse of an ND array. Colon, colon. That means colon means what? No beginning, no ending, no step. No beginning, no ending, no step. No beginning means first. No ending means last. No step means one. It is coming in which direction? Forward direction, all values. No beginning, no ending, step is minus one. Which direction? Backward direction. You know this? Well, so I hope that there is no difficulty for you in these cases. I will show you this since already you know that. So last syntax number 5, I'm writing what is this? Begin colon, end colon, step. I'm going to give you range of values from where? Range of values. This I will carry, ma. This I will carry. Here I'm going to give you range of values from begin to where? End plus end minus 1. Actually, my rule is like this. Actually, my rule is this one. Here, this is matters a lot. This matters a lot. If the step value positive, PVM gives range of values from here to here. Displays. This I will carry. This I will carry in our place. In this case, this I will carry. This is number one point you need to remember. This is number one point you need to remember. This is called in the case of one formula. Next is called one more thing, students. One more thing I will take it. This is one more thing I am going to take it. One more key point also I will write it. Rest of them you can take, no problem at all. So in this case, I'm going to take this mechanism also I'll take. Step value is negative. So I think I need not to talk too much about it. I hope that you already well aware of this area. If the step value is what? Negative, then what is this? Backward direction. Which direction? If the step value positive, which direction? This is already you are aware of it. And directly I'll go for the example. So if anybody forget, happily you can go through our notes. They will be getting this. This is what I was already explained it. Go to the Jupyter notebook. Online students, I hope that this is more clear about this entire thing. This formulas. Though I am explaining, suddenly I wrote it. This part was already cleared it. Okay. So go to the place. Here I am going to enter into this. Go to the place. New here. Going to take ndarray object. So I'm going to take it. Here I'm going to enter into this place. Slicing on 1D array. Slicing on 1D array. Hmm. A is import NumPy here as NP. So there I'm taking A is equal to NP dot array of some values you take students. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 you take it. This value you print it. Content of A, content of A, and next print of A students, print of A, and then next dimension of A, dim of A, dim of A is equal to A dot end. So this is my data. Now I'll get it the some questions I'm asking. Get the values, get the values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How do you get these values? So don't take much time. Print of A of what is our memory management? I need not to tell you again, ma. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. So I want up to how many values? 50. 50 means what? 0 colon 5. 0 colon 5. There is no step is written. No step means what? Plus 1. Condition is satisfied. 0 less than 5, true. It is going to give you 0 to 5 minus 1. 0 to 5 minus 1. 0 colon 5. 0 colon 5. It is going to give you the values like this. Are you following me? The same value. You can also gives you like this also. You can also get the values like this also. Colon, what I can write? 1. You can write like this. It is also going to give you the same thing. Are you following? The same thing you can also gives you like this. Here I am writing like this also you can get it. Come on. Yes, if you don't understand clearly, still level you will get lot of difficulty. If that case difficulty is coming, I am not responsible. One more way to write is what? 0 I am not writing. Colon 5 colon 1 I am writing. Also gives you the same. This also will give you simply colon 5 simply colon. Also gives you what? Same. Also gives you same. See how many ways are there. These are all discussed in LKG only. Correct? Well, this is called which kind of indices? Positive. You can go to which indices also, ma? Negative. For a minute, you please tell me one example 120, 30, 40, 50, 60. Already you know, just for anybody is having some small doubts and all. 70, 80, 90. What is this now? Here how many values are there? 0 to what? 8. 0 to what? 8. What is this now? Minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, so on up to what? Minus 1. Tell me, how do you do that? S of, come on, minus 9 colon, colon, what is this now? Minus 5. This is called what? Minus 4. I need to write minus 4. Like this I need to write. Do you know this? Yeah, simple, simple. Now I'm going to write it. So I'm going to write the same thing. In this way, write it. Come on. Minus 9 colon minus 4. Minus 4. Also will give you the same elements. You can also write the same thing like this. You can also write the same thing like this. Colon what? 1 will also gives you the same. Are you following this? It will also gives you like this also. What it gives you? Minus 9 you don't write it. Also gives you like this. Easy or difficult? Easy. You can also get the same thing. You can also get the same thing with all combinations. You will get it. See all of you. As I was already written, last and final example I want to show you here. This is a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. I will get this data like this also. I will get the data like this also. Are you following me? How do you write it? This is called positive negative combinations, I said. Understand? How do you write, please? A of 0 colon minus 4. 0 colon minus 4. Like this also I can write. Another way also I can write, ma. Like this also I can write. What is another way? Minus 9 colon 5. Like this also I can write it. This is a very, very important. Why I am giving all these things is there are multiple questions like a company called PayPal. They will give you this type of indices based questions. And this time you must be so careful enough. Shall I write this? Already these cases we have seen in our Python coding or not? Yes. So be careful. 0 colon minus 4 minus 9 colon 5. Remember, because I'm not drawing the diagram. When the question is given like that, draw the diagram roughly, plan it out, and then answer it. So I'm going to write it. Tell me 0 colon minus 4 minus 4. What is this giving you same thing or not? Similarly, I can also write like this also. I can write it. Colon, I can write what? 1. It will give you the same answer or not? Another way, last and final way, I'm going to take up, come on, minus 9 colon, come on, 5. Okay, good. So this also will give you the same data. And the last and final, I can write it, colon what? 1 I can write it. Also gives you the same data. Okay now? Right. Now students, now I'm going to take up the same example like this. I want to get it. What I want to get it? 10, 30, 50 I want to get it. 10, 30, 50. 10, 30, 50 I want. I will write the same example plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. This is called plus 2. So whatever the data you like it, you can get it. That is the speciality of what? This ndarray object. Last and final. This is my data. I want to get the reverse data. Reverse. Come on. So get the reverse of what? ND array data. ND array data. That is called 1D array data. Easy. Print of what? A of colon colon minus 1. Colon colon minus 1. Are you getting or not? Right. If I write it A of colon colon minus 2, what is an answer? What is an answer? 90, 70, 50, like this. So you are going to get it. Are you following me? Like this. These are all very straightforward, and all these things you are already aware of it. I need not to say anything. Last question I will ask you. Print off. I'm going to ask you question here. See the original data here. I'm writing here something like 7 colon 1000, 7 colon 1000, 7 colon 1000. What is the answer? Come on, index error. అదే మన బ్యాచులర్ స్పెషాలిటీ. Come on. Huh? Right. So, of course, I'm not blaming him because it's from different batch. That's why that problem is coming. So, in the special point, if you come to our case, these are always going to be here if you go to the place. That's why my notes is compulsory for everybody. It is an oxygen for everybody. So, go to the special points here. In this case, here 0 colon 1000, 0 colon 1000. Here true colon 0 XF, hexadecimal, binary, everything. So here 0 XF. But that is 15 is not there, 100 is not there, 1000 is not there. It will take from where? Seventh to where? Last. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here, it is going to take the value. Seventh index to last it will take. This is called my original data. From that place, wherever it is stopping, seventh index to last it will take. Last means 1000 is not there. 8 is there. 9, 10, 11, 12 is not there. Generally, student will expect index error, but it is not an index. Index error will come in the indexing operation. But slicing operation, it won't give you. See that now. You will be getting the value called what? Bracket closing. Yes, I will write it A off. A off. So it is going to give you what? 80, 90 will be given. This is what you need to be so careful enough. Are you following me? Right. Now, last and final. Last and final. Because when you answer something wrong, now I will get complete doubt about it. Minus 1000 to 1000. Minus 1000 to 1000. Complete array. Complete array data will come. Minus 1000. Minus 1000 is not there. Minus 1000. Minus 999. It is so on coming to where? Minus line. To where? Coming to the curved down up to 8 it will come because I'm having what value? Positive value. Positive value. So this will give you complete data. This will give you complete data. These points I said in my beginning days of Python only. So that points are there in the my notes. Go through it step by step. You will get it. Okay. Don't misunderstand me when I highlight your mistake because you are good, but the person who trained, I'm criticizing that. Good is good, bad is bad always. You apply on everybody. Correct. Right. Student is always white paper only. White paper is a gold. We have to prepare you very nicely. That is an important. Go to the further. Shall I move to the further? Yes. Now I'm going to enter into the 2D. 2D I'm going to enter. This 2D index, these rules and regulations, we have seen the example. Slicing on 2D I'm going to enter. So let us enter into the 2D here. Take the data, carry this entire data. This data I will carry. Now I'm going to enter. Be careful enough. So here I'm going to write it. What is this? Reshape of 4 comma 4. I will write some more extra elements I will add ma 90. 9 elements na 16 elements and ఇంకెన్ని add చేయాలి? I will go to 7 elements I will add. 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65. How many? 6. One more I will add it. That is 75. Is it okay? Yes. So I'm going to get it 4 by 4. Okay. Now be careful. Now I want to get it. On this, I want to get it. I want to get this. This is called 0th row, first row, second row, third row. This is called which elements? Zeroth column, first column, second column, third column. Already I said you negative indexing mechanism also, right? -1, -2, -3, -4. Here also -1, -2, -3, -4 I said. Negative index for a few minutes you keep it in your back. Positive indices only take out. Once you say positive indices, great achievement. You want to be the best student, you work on negatives. Negative means everybody will get confused, but you don't get confused. Start. Now my question is, I want to get it. What is my examples will continue. I want to get completely first column values. First column values. Is it not called fetching group of values or not? Very good. I want to get, I want to get 60, 50, 25, 70. These four values only I want. These four values only I want. I want, I want this 30, 70, 80, 40 values I want. I want next first column values and second column values I want. Zeroth column and second column values I want. And alternative columns I want. I want what? Zeroth row I want. I want the second row elements I want. Or I want to get it what? 10 to 10, 30, 90, 25 I want. I want to get four corner elements. This element, this element, this element, this element I want. Understand? These are the questions which will be coming. That time everybody will face it. In YouTube, ZTube, etc. 1D related slicing they will explain. 2D, 3D they will give homework. Homework is homework only. Homework never come because students will not do except my students. 80%. 20% students I put lot of pressure. I made them to sit on the ground also. I made them to sit here. They sat. Most of them sat here. They experienced it. They sat here like a railway compartments when seats are not there. They sat here like buses. They sat in VIP seats also here. Some students. We do all those exercise. Still, if you don't care that pressure, we left it. Come. Now I want to go for what? Want to get first column values. I want to get it. What is the dimension, ma? 2. 2. Okay. How do you write it? When two dimensions are there, I need to take it what? Two square brackets I will use it. Okay, na? Now look at A of I am writing it. This one deals with what? Row. This one deals with what? Columns. How many rows you want? First one is called what? Row information. Second one is called what? Column information. How many rows you want? All rows you want. What rows you want? All rows. What is the row beginning? What is the row ending? Come on. 3. 4 అంటే తీసుకొని వెళ్ళిపోంక రేపు సాటర్డే సండే కదా ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిపో 1 2 and then what 3 so what should I write it now 0 colon 4 0 colon 3 4 sometimes I'll also go wrong because I believe my student that is my weakness if I believe my weakness they will misguide me actually I don't believe anybody words because if they misguide now my subject will disturb sometimes I will believe based on some affection or something if I believe you, you go wrong okay say correct answer 0 colon what is the 0 colon 4 says 0 to 4 minus 1 0 to 4 minus 1 means what all rows all what is this 0 row beginning what is this 4 row ending row begin index row end index row end index suppose for example I want 10 I want 3 step what I need to write 0 colon 4 colon 3 what is this 0 row begin index row end index row step row step so what is the row index need to specify 3 row beginning colon row end colon, row step, row, column also what I require, row, column beginning, colon, column end, colon, column step. That is the slicing mechanism of what? 2D. 2D. Normal 1D is there na? That I am splitting into rows as well as what? Columns. Come on, ma, for my satisfaction. Come on, enter into our subject of that data. Come on, 0 to 4. How many rows? All rows. How many columns? One column. That too, what is the column of that? 0, 1, 2, 3. Tell me. 0 colon 1. 0 colon 1. 0 colon 1 means 0. How our Python environment will taking what? First row. What rows? All rows. All rows. What column? 0th column. It will give you what values? 10, 50, 90, 45. Is it not getting column or not? Yes. Online students, did you understand, ma? Did you understand? Please respond it. Come on, everybody respond it. Okay. Get which column? 0th column of 0th column of 2D array. 2D array. Come on, I forget. Come on. Come on, everybody, speak out. A of A of 0 colon 4. 0 colon. Very good. Come on. I will write it. 0 colon 4. Next 0 colon 1. So that will give you the data like this. Are you getting or not? 10, what is coming? 10, 20, 30, 40. No. Coming to print of, no problem. A of what? 0 colon 4, 0 colon 4, comma 0 colon what? 1. 0 colon 1. Am I getting or not? Yes. Instead of writing in separate bracket, first point is what? Come on. Row beginning, row ending, row step. Here, column beginning, column ending, column step, column step. Another way I want. Another way. Get the 0th column in another way. No more confusion. Slowly I will go. Colon 1. Here I will write what? Colon 1. What is the 0? I forget once again. Row begin index. Spell out. All of you speak out the same answer. Row. Next. Row end index. Next. Row step. Good. What is this now? Column begin index. Next. Next. Column step. So see the same answer will be there. This is called what? Invalid decimal literal. Where is it? So, okay, okay. So now this is going to be getting the same data. Are you following me? Right. Now, once it is done like that, I want to ask you, you plan out for what, ma? You plan out for negative indices also once you tell me. Negative indices also, na? Negative indices also I want to show. After going to home, you continuously practice it. All of you try to practice it. Now I'm going to take up. Tell me. -1, -2, -3, -4. -4. What is this now? This is called a -1, -2, -3, -4. Very good. Come on. What is this? A. This portion is called what? What is this portion? Row. Next portion. Okay. Negative index, please. -4 colon. ఏం అవసరం లేదు. -4 colon, that's all. -4 to last. Okay. -4 to already we applied begin colon, that's all. Begin colon. Next. Come on. -4 colon what? -3. -4 colon -3. -4 colon -3 means -4 to -3 -1, which is the -4 only. Are you following me? That will give you the same answer. Got it or not? Yes. So I will get it with what indices now? With what indices? With negative indices. With negative indices. Come on. A of, speak out, speak out. Don't think that, don't sit quiet and come. If I see that, I will make you to stand up. You need to say. Otherwise, VIP seat will be arranged. Come on. Minus 4 colon, minus 4 colon, minus 4 colon, minus 3. Minus 3. Slowly. Don't shout here. So, it is going to be the same. Are you following? Right. Good. In another way, I'm going to write it. Minus 4, I'm removing students. What is that now? Row beginning, row ending. No row beginning means what? First to last. First to, what is this? Minus 4 to minus 3. First to last. This minus 4 also I will remove. Minus 4 also I will remove. So see the same answer. Are you getting or not? Yes. Next, I am going to write it one more way. Here I am going to write it. Colon I will write it. And this also I am writing here. Colon I am writing. This also will give you the same answer. Why I am showing this many example? Because directly I will give this answer. And what will be the output I will ask you. See, here I am giving data. Data I am giving. I am asking to write the statement. Sometimes they will give the statement and they will ask you to write the code. Are you getting? So next, last and final, I'm going to write it. This is the way. Colon 1. Colon 1 also I'm writing. This is going to be the same output is coming. Okay. Are you okay now? Right. Online students, are you comfortable, ma? Now I want to ask you the questions. So I will go for these questions. Ready to answer? Right. Now I want to go for getting second, first column values, second column values. I want to get it. Second column values and the first column values, second column values, I want to get it. That means you have to think first about what? Row. How many rows? All rows. How many columns? Two columns. Can you tell me? Here I am writing. Let me write the question. Let me write the question. Get first column and what? Second column values. Get first column and then second column values. Come on, first. Print of A colon. First of all, 0 colon 4. 0 colon 4. That will give you all rows. Okay. Very good. Next. 1 colon 3. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now you got it. Getting or not? Yes. Last student. Don't sit like a passenger. ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను నేను చాలాసార్లు పైథాన్ క్లాస్లో చెప్పాను ఏమని హిమాయత్ నగర్ మెక్డొనాల్డ్స్లో ఇట్లా కూర్చుంటారు because everybody is going there and after eating burger they will sit there and take a selfie also there. You don't sit like that. It's third time I be maybe telling to you. Correct? Correct? Yes, you are. I'm remembering how many times also I said. Though you are a long batch student of mine, I'm remembering how many times I said this example to you. So I'll remember that much history about each student. Come. Next, coming to that. Syed Rehan, instead of you are checking, is this correct, sir, like that? Because KVR, sir, is not for only Rion, it's for everybody. Right. Vishnuvardhan, a very good boy. He is writing all possibilities. That I like it. Come on. Now I will go to one more way I want. Come on, the same mechanism. Another way. Tell me another way. Negative indexes. Anyhow, you can practice it. You can practice, huh? Yes. First, you be perfect in this. Come on. Colon, comma. Come on. 1 colon, 3 colon, 1. Like this also you can say. Are you getting or not? Yes. Now I want to get it. One more question. One more question. Online students. Now, coming to this place here. And today I want to get it. I want to get it. Very important question. I want 0th column and the second column I want. 0th column and second column. How many rows? All rows. All rows. Ready to get it? Yes, 1 minute. Let me read the question. Get 0th and second column. Second column. Second column values. Come on. A of colon. Simply colon. Colon means all rows. Come on. All. Okay. 0 colon. 4 colon. 2. 2. Are you following me? 0 to 4 means what? All columns. But what is our step? First it starts with which step? 0. Plus 2 added means it will come to second column or not? Plus 2 added means it will go to fourth column or not? But fourth column is not there now. So it will take which columns? 0 and second column only. Am I getting or not? 10, 10, 50, 90, etc. 30, 70, etc. Are you getting me? Same way, in another way, I want to show you another way. Come on now. Print of, come on, or simply I will write directly A of colon colon, comma, colon colon 2. Super. Colon colon 2 also gives you the same. Are you okay? Yes. Online students, are you comfortable? So, are you comfortable with this? Everybody need to answer, students. So, almost 25 students absent. When Friday comes, slowly they are under the planning of releasing, adjusting. Need to jump at the end of the class. Right. Huh? Okay, whatever it is, try to do that. But don't forget to do the good activities. Look at students. I'm going to enter into the next step. I'm writing one statement. Try to answer my question here. Ready to answer? Yes. So I'm going to write it colon colon 2, comma, colon colon 2, colon colon 2, colon colon 2. No, don't answer immediately. Think about it. Why are you answering all of you? Colon colon 2, colon colon 2. Some of the girls become colon only. They're just seeing like that only. What is an answer? So first colon colon 2 you see colon colon 2 means what are ready to select 0 and this one, right? And colon colon 2 means what? This one and this one. What are the intersection points? 10, 90, 30. That's all. That's all. That is an answer. That is an answer. Getting? Easy or difficult? Easy. Now, I'll ask you an important question. Ready to answer? Yes. Now I'm going to write it. Now I'm going to write it. Print of A. Now I will ask you to get it. You want to get it. Get 10, 10, 45, 45, 40, and 75. And 75 values from values. I want to get it. A of colon colon 3, comma, colon colon. Okay, beautiful. So good knowledge. Getting? Easy or difficult? Easy. So next, last and before that, one more question. One more question. Students, I want, my dear students, I'm going to get it. Mohammed, yes, sir. I'm going to that. Going to that. I want to get principal diagonal elements. Myself only said yesterday. Reversed principal diagonal elements, L-shaped values, reversed L-shaped values, curved values. మీకు ఏం కావాలో అవి చెప్పేస్తాను ఎక్సెప్ట్ కోకోనట్ వాటర్. Okay now. Everything I will tell you. Let me give a good time for me. I will explain everything. How to get diagonal elements also I'll tell you. How to get reverse of diagonal elements also. How to do product of diagonal elements. Whatever you want, I will fetch it out. That is called very important activity. And beyond this, I will tell you that is called filtering with where condition, with a extract condition, with criteria. with missing values, so much is there. If you see NumPy documentation, you will feel that is this documentation prepared by me or prepared by you, you will feel. That much great subject. If you learn data science, just left hand, left finger for you. That much coding I am going to explain. Utilize it. Follow me. Okay. Come on, start with. Now I am going to get it. I want to get it. This first, second row I want, and then I want this row I want. Which row I want? Zeroth row, first row, second row, third row. I want which rows? First row and second row. I want. Come on, how do you write it? So I will write it. Get first and second row elements. Second row elements. Start. A of 1 colon 1 colon. Okay, good. Comma 1 colon 3. Oh, not concentrating. Colon, colon, colon. Why colon, all columns. All columns. See, this row, I want this row plus this row. But all these values, if I want to complete rows, all columns only, na? Which rows? First and second. That is 1, 2, 3 means 1, 2, 3 minus 1 is called 1, 2, 2. Colon means what? All. Even a single colon also no problem. Is it coming or not? You can also get this way also, students. This way also you can get it. What is that now? Colon you can write it. This way also you can get it. You can get this way also. What is this now? Colon 1. Here also you can write colon 1. This also you will get it. Are you following? This is the ways you can get it. Negative indices also you can write it. Okay. Now I am going to enter print of A. Now I want to get it. Now I want to get it. Be careful. I want to get 60, 15, 25, 70. I want these elements. Be careful, all of you. Be ready to tell. Here I will write. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me write it. Get. hmm, what is that? Get 60, 70, 70, and 15, 25. 25. Come on. A of A of 1 colon 3, comma 1 colon 3. Are you sure? Really? Okay. So 60, 70, 15, 25. So you are good. Good, right. Everybody good? Or last VIP seats good? అంత విఐపిలో ఉన్నారు లాస్ట్ లో. Are you good? Girls, are you good, ma? Right. Good. So go to, now I want to get it. I want to get it. Print of A. I will write it. I want to get it 40 and 75. I want to get it. 40 and 75. I want to get it. 40 and 75. I want to get it. Get get 40 and 75. 75 values. Tell me. A of 0 colon 4 comma. Come on. After colon 3. Okay. Good. 0 colon 4. 0 colon 4 means all rows. 3. 3. What is the meaning of 3? Step 3. So, okay. Next 3 colon. 3 colon. 3 colon means last. This is called 0, 1, 2, 3. Only 3 you can say. So this you are going to get 40 and 75. So you are good. Good up? Now I want to get it. I want to get it. I want to 10. I want to 15. I want to 45. Not possible. Not possible. If you want to make it possible, it is not అంటే not possible అంటే sorry is not going to tell now. I will tell. Through slicing, it is not possible. Through slicing, it is not possible. Advanced slicing I need to use. What is the concept? Advanced slicing. And not possible and I am not going to wash out my hands. I'm going to enter into the biggest tiger zone. There you will get every element you are going to retrieve it. Okay now. So I'll tell you through slicing, it is not possible. Slicing means formulated this is. A rhythm of values you can get it. If you want to get random values, I need to go for what? Advanced indexing. I want to get principal diagonal elements, not possible with what? Slicing. I want reversed principal diagonal elements, not possible. Not possible. Principal diagonal is pointed by which parameter? Principal diagonal elements is pointed by which parameter? K. What is the value? 0. K minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Below principal diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Upper principal diagonal. Where we discussed that. I. I of n comma m is equal to none, comma k is equal to 0, d type is equal to float. Already we discussed or not? Remembering? Remembering. Everything you will remember. Good. Now I am going to enter into this place. Okay. This is called a 2D. What is the syntax? Tell me now. Start. ND 2D array object. 2D array object. Array object. Come on, start with row begin index colon row end index column row step comma column begin index comma column end index. This is called a column begin index, column end index, column end index, column step, column step. This is the subject of what? 2D, 2D slicing. Okay now? Right. This example you can follow. Now I'm entering into what? ND. Ready to go for it. So in the ND, same to same will be there. Extra what will come? Matrix begin index, colon, matrix end index, plus matrix step. Matrix step will come. Plus row index, all those things will be same. Shall I write that? What indexing mechanism, slicing mechanism you learned in Python, it is extension to that, this will be coming. Okay now? Right. I'm going to enter into the this place, ND. It may be 2D, it may be 3D, it may be 4D. I'm going to take it what? 3D. This is normal. Why this is normal? Every matrix contains row, begin, row, ending, row step. But here I'm going to write it what? Come on. Matrix begin index. Come on. Index colon matrix end index colon matrix step. Matrix step. This is the subject of like this. I will write like this. Step by step I will write it. So you can understand. Is it okay? Shall I go to the example? Right. Voice in the back, are you comfortable? Right. Only yes or no, sir. Answers కూడా చెప్పాలి. Need to tell answers. Yes or no, sir, no. Girls also saying yes or no, sir only. Answers you need to tell. Are you saying answers? Malla yes, sir. Okay, go. Go to the example, students. Online students, carry on. This is my A, na? A. How many elements are there? 16. Can I reshape it? Yes. How do you reshape it? Right. Get the 3D data. Get 3D. 3D array with the size of size of 2D kada adi? Get a 2D array with a size of what? 16 into what? 3D. 3D. 3D means it is going to be 16 elements kada unnai. You have 16. 16, right, with a 3D as 2 comma 4 comma. So better you can go for 2 comma 4. More rows I will take. It is your choice. If you want to take like that, it is your choice. 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2 like this I will take. Okay, set it. I forget how to do it. A dot shape is equal to 2 comma 4 comma 2. Like this you can take. Or you can also take it as A is equal to A dot reshape of 2 comma 4 comma 2. Okay. Print of A, print of A, print of what? Dim of A, dim of A, dim of A is equal to comma what? A dot and dim, A dot and dim. So here I will write content of what? A, content of A. See that now? So I'm getting like this. Are you following? Now I want to get it. Online students, I hope you are following this mechanism. You got it. Now I'm going to take up these elements like this. Which elements I want to take, students? What is this now? 0th index, first index. These are all called what? Zeros, 1, 2, 3. But you are all comfortable, correct? These things I need not write because we came to almost one good stage. Now I want to get it. Now I want to get it. 10, 20, 90, 15. 10, 20, 90 and 15. I want the first row of zeroth matrix. I want what? First row of what matrix? First matrix of what array? End array. Come on. A of what is this is called? Matrix details. What is this is called? What is this is called? Right. Sandesh. Sandesh. Please follow. Come on. What is this? This is a zeroth matrix. I want both the matrices. What I will write 0 colon 2. You can also write simply colon. You can also write colon colon also you can write. Okay. You can do anything like this. Okay. 0 colon 2. Okay. Come on. This is a 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Come on. 0 colon 1. 0 colon. How many columns? All columns. All columns. This is called 0 colon 1, 0 colon 1. Come on. Simply colon or 0 colon what? 2, 2. You can write simply colon. You can write simply colon colon. You can write simply colon colon 1. Once you know good hairstyle, you can cut, you can comb any direction. If no hair is there, ring road, bypass road only. Regular dialogue of man. Correct? Ada? So, a physical hairstyle is not a hairstyle here. NumPy is your hairstyle. If you know NumPy, you can do everything. Otherwise, ring road, bypass road only. A lot of people are roaming outside. Ring road people only. Okay, shall we write it? Come on. Get get first row first row values of first row values of each matrix in each matrix in end array. Each matrix in end array. How do you get it? That is 3D array. 3D array. So already you know A of 0 colon 2, 0 colon 1, 0 colon 2. Like this you can get it. Are you getting it? Yes. Same way, I can write it in another way. What is this now? Colon colon, simply colon. What is this now? Simply colon 1. This is called what now? Simply colon. Simply colon. Are you getting or not? Yes, like this. If you go to last and final, this way if you take it, this is called a colon colon. This is called a colon 1. This is called what colon colon you can write it. Are you getting the same answer or not? So why you need to be so worried about this entire thing? Only if you look at that, it is a little complicated for you to visualize by yourself. If the data is given, you can formulate. But when I directly ask you, you will get the difficulty in that. Let me show you one small thing here again. Now I want to get it. Now I will write one small formula, students. You try to answer it. Will you answer it? Right. Answer this question now. I am writing A of, I am writing colon, 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 colon. Now I am going to write colon, colon, comma. I am writing one colon. What is an answer? Not like this. Very problematic. Not like that. So you'll get what? All the rows, first columns. All the rows, first columns. All the matrices, first columns. If interview is asking this question, you will say like this. Problem. No hand raising symbols. No hand raising. No signals. No backside student also. Backside. No, don't hide behind the student. Already is there. My morning batch student. Don't hide. Okay. Even if hide, my concentration, in a class. If you say, I will look at you. That wherever you go, my network will follow you. Right. Are you following this? Right. Good. Now I will write it. See the answer now. Are you following me? Can I ask one more question? Okay. Ready to answer? Right. Look at A of colon colon 1 colon colon 1. Now I am writing. Now I am writing minus 1 colon minus 1 colon. Come on. Come on. Is it? What is that? All second column of all the matrices. Same answer. With what I said, negative slide, negative index I mentioned for what? Columns. Other than that, it is going to be same. Okay, na? Right. Okay. Now I will give you one more bigger matrix I'll prepare. Bigger matrix I'll prepare. Please observe it. NP dot A arrange of, I'm going to take it. Arrange of, or I will write it. NP dot NP dot random NP dot random dot rand int of rand int of 10 comma 20 comma size is equal to 4 comma 4 comma 3 comma 3 comma 4 comma 3 comma 3 3 comma 3. How many matrices? Muddu, come on. 4 matrices whose indices are 0 to 3. Each matrix contains how many rows? How many columns? Which values? Rand int values. Random integer values between what? 10 to 30. Low comma, high comma, size. You know that? Already over now. Yes. So print of this kind of content I will bring it. This kind of content I will bring it. Content of that. Now I'll bring it here. I'll try to post it. From there, you'll get some questions here. So see students, now I'm getting this data. Online students. So if you don't understand now, this is so miserable class it is. If you understand, you don't know even how much time is getting completed. If you don't understand, it's a big headache. You cannot sit even 2 minutes also. This is called what? A big matrix with all random values with a size of what? Right. So they will ask you when you go to and sit in front of interview, I want 4 matrices of 3D with random values of 4 matrices with 3 by 3. Write a code entered. Write a code. What you will do? If you look at here and there without knowing anything, nothing will come. That's why before going to an interview, all syntaxes you need to remember. Concepts you need to remember. Like mug up over the night like your academic exam, they don't give 24 answers, booklet will not be given. Simple question will decide your future. Understand correct or not? Yes. So coming to the point back, now I am asking a question. I am asking a question. I want to print these 2 matrices. I want to print these 2 matrices. I want to print these 2 matrices. Ready? What is this matrix earlier one? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, come on, A of first I will write like this. 3D kada? 3D means three partitions. What is this? 1:3. Okay. All rows and columns. Next, all rows and columns. Easy or difficult? One more way is called what? 1:3. 1:3:1, comma, ::1, comma, ::1. Like this also you can do it. Correct? Yes. Come on. Come on. A of 1:3, comma, colon. So you will get these values. Okay, now? Yes. So like this. A of 1:3, ::1, ::1 also will give you the same data or not? Yes. Now I am going to take up. Now I want to go for this one more small thing. I want to take it. This I am going to take it. This 3 only I will write it. And then I will take like this 3. It is 3 only. I will take 3, not 2, 3. 3 I am taking. So please answer my question. I want to get it. I want to get it. This column, this column, this column I want to get it. All matrices, first column values I want. Get here I will write get all all matrices, which column? Come on, first column. Actually, I can ask you by making you to stand, but I don't do because you will feel tension for it, right? So please participate, all of you. Come on, start. Colon. Why colon? All matrices, first column. First column means what? All rows. What are the all rows, ma? Colon. Columns. 1:2. Beautiful. So, got it. Got it or not? Yes. In another way, for my satisfaction, with the negative indices, you tell me, ma. Negative indices. This is also colon. This is also colon. Please tell me negative indices, ma. This is called what? -1, -2. What is this, ma? -2 colon. That's all. That's all. So you'll get the same answer. Correct. Right. No, don't eat nails. Eat Python. Eat Python. Right. So coming to the point back, here I can write it happily. One also I can write it. You also will get the same answer. Are you getting me? Right. Suppose if I'm writing this point, I'm writing like this, I'm writing last, I'm writing colon, -1, I'm writing. What is the answer? Come on. Right. See that whatever the last data is there, it is coming to where first it is going to be like this. Are you following? Right. Now I will ask you one small question here from this place. I'm asking one small thing. Here I'm going to write it off. I'm going to write it something like 0 I'm writing. What is the answer? Come on. So you are going to get it what? This one is there now. This one will be coming. Are you getting it? Yes. So are you master in this indexing? Right. Last and final. I want to get 10, 13, 14, 18, 11, 14, 17, 14, 10, 10, 18, 13. All matrices, corner elements. All matrices, corner elements. Be careful, don't commit mistake. A of colon, comma. Come on. Colon, 2. Colon 2 or colon 3? Col 3. Good. Who is 3? I find out. You. No. You are good. Mundu student. నేను ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేశాను రైజ్ చేయాలమ్మా వాళ్ళు టెన్షన్ పడతా ఉంటారు వాళ్ళు బికాస్ no you are cool by saying wrong బట్ ఐ విల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఇండెక్స్ ఎర్రర్ will come Right. You have to, sir, I am, if you say, other, the backside people will be, generally they will feel very much tense. They did not feel this much tense also in your college also. But here you will feel lot of tense. Okay. If you say right, wrong answer, I will detect you. You raise the hand, others will relax. Okay, good. Okay, no issue. Come on. Colon 2. Comma, colon 2. What is this first one? All matrices. Colon 2. All rows with what? 0 to step. Columns means what? All columns with this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. This indicates these values. So all the values are coming or not? Yes. So I'm going to write it colon or like this colon 2 colon 2. So what is the answer is coming? All the corner elements are coming or not? 10, 13, 14, 18, 11, 14 like this. Now I am asking. Ready to answer? Hmm? Really? Okay. So you are going to answer colon 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 2 comma colon 2. Come on. Same. Same answer. This will give you what data? This answer. Colon 2 colon 2. What is an answer? Colon means all of them. What is this colon 2? 10. 10. Next to 11. Next to yes. So that is an answer. Same answer of it will come Modu. Are you following this? Because the colon 2 after the result, this is a 0, 1. There is no 2 now. So this will be coming only like this. Are you following? Yes. So next like this, if they ask anything like that, you can go for it. So if you go to a bigger stage development, you will be getting like this of like this. I'm going to take it. So okay, that anyhow you understood. Print of a hmm. Anyhow you got it. So now I want to get it last and final 10 17 10 11 I want to get it 10 17 10 11 I want to get it. Come on, a of colon 2. That is the 0th one, first one, second one. I want to look for this only. Okay. What you want to look? 0th row, 0 colon 1. That is called 0 comma 1 means 0 to 1 minus 1. That is 0 to 0. That is called 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. That is nothing but what? 0th row only. Which column? 0 colon. Yes, beautiful. That's all. That's all. So if I'm giving the data, you are easily saying they will give this statement, they will ask you to answer it. That is the special point. Are you okay now? So I'm going to write it. Tell me. A of colon 2, 0 colon 1, 0 colon, okay, 0 colon 2. So getting this values or not? 10, 17, and next is called what? 10, 11. 10, 11. Okay now? Hmm. Okay, you are good at this stage. So last question. Last question. 14, 14, 18, 17, 14. That's all. Only that. Come on, start. A of 0 colon 2. 0 colon 2. Okay. Rows, columns. Which row? 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. What is this? 2 colon. 2 colon. That's all. That's all. Next, 0 colon. No, here. 1 minute. 1 minute, ma. 1 minute. Here, I will write 2 colon. I will write it. In this case, in 2 colon, I need to write what? That's all. I can write it. Next here, colon 2. colon colon 2. That's all. You can write even 2 colon also, no problem. So that is called in this matrices from 2 second row onwards. What is the columns? Alternative common elements. Alternative common elements means this one, this one, this one will be coming. Okay now. So I will write it A of colon, what is that? 0 colon 2, 2 colon, colon 2, colon 2. Are you getting it? 14 and next 18, 17 and 14. 17 and 14. Is it clear? Right. It's good. So, okay, anything else? It is almost over now. So, last final check. I want to get it 17, 11, 13, 18. I want 11, 12, 10, 13. Last and final. A of 0 colon 2, 0 colon 3, colon, very good, 2. That is nothing but simply what? Colon colon 2, colon colon 2. Next, how many rows? All rows. All rows? No. Colon colon 2, colon colon 2. Okay. One colon, one colon. Is it clear? Right. Girls. Yes sir, no sir. చెప్పేది కూడా ఆన్సర్ చెప్పేదిలా గర్ల్స్ అంటే ఎస్ సార్. ఆర్ యూ అండర్స్టాండింగ్? ఎస్ సార్. దాని తప్ప వేరేది ఏమన్నా చెప్తారో? ఎనీథింగ్ యూ వాంట్ టు సే? మళ్ళీ సైలెన్స్. మనం 3 థింగ్స్ ఓన్లీ విల్ స్పీక్. వన్ ఈజ్ ఎస్ సార్, నో సార్, like that. 3 things. So answer this now. I will go for this now. Go to A of what? Colon colon 2. Forget. Colon colon 2, 1 colon. 1 colon. Sorry, getting or not? 17, 13, 11, 18. Next 11, 10, 12, 13. That's all. Is it clear? So that is about 3D. 3D slicing. If 4D is coming, is it easy for you to get it or not? Extra what will add? Cluster beginning, cluster end, cluster step. Remaining thing is same. Right. Now, admin is asking. Admin is nothing but Nagaraju here. Mr. Raju. I will remember the name also. Is it possible to get 17 value of all matrices? So, 100% you can get it, Raju. So, print of what? A. Print of A. His question is filtering concept. What is the concept? Filtering. I want to get all 17s. Easy. All 17s. I will go for all 17s. How to get all 17s? I want to get all multiples of 5. I want to get all primes. I want to get all values greater than 22. Like that I can get it. That is my next topic called filtering. Filtering concept, if I explain now, mind blowing. You will say, sir, wonder, sir, I will sit here only, sir, 24 hours. You will say like that. Day by day in NumPy, you need to go to always NumPy. You have to feel that you only developed like that. You will feel. I'll tell you that. Nagaraju, okay, admin. So take care. Next class, I'll go to how to filter the data. Also, I'll tell you. So what we learned today? Slicing, slicing of 1D, 2D, and D. After going to home, practice it. Okay. One announcement, students. One announcement. Tomorrow, no class. Tomorrow, look at the in my class, don't make nice. Tomorrow, no class. I'm going to AP, Andhra Pradesh, to attend one marriage event, right? So, tomorrow, no class. Why you are enjoying when no class is there? Because you will feel that sir will not give any holiday, correct? So, I gave holiday very long back, right? So, you know, all Python students knows. So, tomorrow, no class. So, by the time tomorrow, you need to Okay. You are also belongs to. Huh? Okay. Your native place. Okay. My native place is Prakashan district. My native place is district name. This is Prakashan district. Okay. And we settled here only. I studied here only. I studied here only. We settled down here only. But that is my hometown schooling, college. I studied in Ongol, SSN college. I studied intermediate. Intermediate. Very strict college, right? Later, I did my engineering in Usman University campus. So they will ask you, sir, in Prakashan district, what is your native place? Again, they will ask you, what is your mandal, sir? What is your native place, sir? What is your pin code, sir? Pin code. Next, they will ask you Google Maps, sir. They will ask all these things. Okay. So, what is your full name, sir? They will ask. Okay. So, my full name you want? Huh? So, it is my name. It is my name. Oh, my name is this one. They know all these things. This is my name. This is my name. Okay. Ah, you expected, huh? Gautami expected. Girls will expect more. Right. Already you wrote it. Hmm. Now, Nagaraju. Nagarjuna. Sir, your teaching is brilliant. You are explaining complex concepts very clearly, easily understand. Thank you, my dear student. They are asking, Ramakant is asking K also. I gave. Okay, my dear student, now my name is not necessary for you. Sakib, so now I am taking loan with your name. Take it. Take. Okay. Admin, your name stays always in my heart, sir. Okay. Okay. No problem. Okay. Online students. So don't take any loan from anywhere. No, no. Why I'm saying is I'm against to take loans. You also don't take loan. You don't take loan. Why? Learn Python. Remove the cap. Why are you keeping the cap? Class అయిపోయిందా? So don't take the loan. Read subject well. Read subject well. Yes or no? Read subject well. Get more money. What is the need of taking loan? Correct or not? So you are against to loan. I am against to loan. You are also against loan or not? So what is the loan you need to take? Python, always Python, Python, Python. So automatically loan is minus. Right. So okay, students. Now I will go for so right. Okay. Hmm. Kumar. Sir, what about morning 7:30 a.m. class? I said morning 7:30 class not there. 9 o'clock not there, 11 o'clock not there, evening 6 o'clock tomorrow class is not there. So tomorrow I'm going to native place there, Sunday night again I will come. Monday morning, as usual, all classes will be there. Okay now? So tomorrow don't go here and there. Underground activities you don't do. You do the Python classes. Thank you. Carry on. All the best.